Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Fibonacci tool on how to use it on your TradingView chart. So if you don't know how to do that, I'm going to show you shortly in this video. But before we get started, please do to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right here in this video, I'll be using Euro USD as an example. So I'll just go ahead and click on it to be bigger. So right now, let's take for example, in this video I want to short this pair. What do I need to do? First of all, I take out my rectangle tool and mark it out on my zone. Mark my zone using my rectangle tool. And if you don't know how to use your rectangle tool, there's a video in the YouTube channel already. The link will be in the description below. You can do it to check it out so you understand how to use your rectangle tool. So right now I'll just take this markets. Now where do I want to enter? I'll just go ahead and go and pick my short tool right here. If you don't know how to use your short tool, also there will be a link in the description below of the video that explains how to use your short tool completely. Do it to check it out so you understand how to use your short tool. So I'll just place it right here. So now let's take for example, you don't know where to place your stop loss or your take profit. Now this is where the Fibonacci tool. You use your Fibonacci tool to determine where you want to take your profit and where you want to take your stop loss to be, and you determine where you want your take profit to be and where your stop loss should be, because on this trend, let's take for example, there is no direction of how the trend is. You've already so you go ahead and click on Fibonacci tool right here. If you not added it to your favorite, you just tap and hold. It will show you where to add to your favorite and you click right here. I've already added mine to my favorite, that's why you're showing me remove favorite. So right now I'll just tap, bring it down to this point, up to this point or this point right here. But I recommend this. Now you can see where our take profit one is right here. If you want to set your take profit according to the Fibonacci tool, this is our take profit one. You can see I always recommend 1.618, right? This is the recommended one I use, which is almost 4R. And you can see where our stop loss is. You can see right here. You can see your stop loss just above this. Now this is the simplest way on how to use Fibonacci tool on your TradingView. So I hope you find this video helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. So right now let me show you the settings of our Fibonacci tool. So let me just show you the settings of our Fibonacci tool. You can see the settings of our Fibonacci tool right here. You can see the settings. This is the settings of our Fibonacci tool. Alright, thank you for watching this video up to this time. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.